Hello everyone. Today we have the opportunity to talk to Mr. Vinod Aggarwal, President of the auto industry's apex body SIAM. He's also the MD and CEO of Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles. Hello sir. Sir, just wanted to understand that we are already nearing the end of September and we have already entered the festive season, and this year is coming after 2 years of COVID. So how do you expect the festive season panning out for the auto industry?
Uh, First of all, if you look at the economy is doing better, and so we have good prospects of good recovery in the economy. We are targeting growth of 7 to 8%. So based on that recovery, I think the prospects of the entire auto industry is much better, and especially the commercial vehicle sector is expected to do very well. Passenger vehicles, they are already doing better this year, and there is some challenges in the two-wheeler segment, but that also I think should become better based on uh, good monsoon and good output expected in the agriculture sector. So therefore, overall, I am very positive on the prospects of the entire auto industry in the current year.
Sir, based on the recent geopolitical situations and the semiconductor issues that we have been facing since the last year, do you think this coming to an end sometime soon?
Just mostly semiconductor issues has been largely taken care of. There are still some hiccups, uh, so we are expecting that it should get over soon. But the situation is much better as compared to where it was around 3 months back. So it is getting better day by day.
So just one more thing, like electrification is fast becoming a part of the auto industry, and every segment is moving at its own pace. So two-wheelers and three-wheelers are taking the lead. So how do you see it in the commercial vehicle and the passenger vehicle segment, probably in the next 5 years?
There is lot of action. First of all, you see in the electric buses, there was last tender 5,500 buses by CESL that was successfully completed. Now they have announced another tender for 5,000 plus buses, and so there is lot of action going on in the migration to the electric technology, both in the bus side as well as in the passenger cars. You have seen a lot of action happening in the passenger cars, two wheelers. There is a lot of action. So I think a lot of things are happening in the electric technology. So we are on the right track.
So just one last question, if you could like give us specific headwinds or tailwinds for the auto industry's growth in India?
There are a lot of opportunities, so we have to take the advantage of all those opportunities. We have to remain very proactive. We have to take all the positive actions to fight the challenges. There will be challenges when there are opportunities, so therefore we have to seize the opportunities and grow.